Welcome to Understanding the Power Within, simply, easily. Judgment is an interesting thing, for most people do it. They don't necessarily mean to do it, but at times they do. They look at someone and make a conclusion without gathering facts. They look at themselves and make a conclusion without being kind to themselves. Judgment has a negative connotation to it because when you feel judged, generally speaking, the feeling is not good. The feeling is usually sad or angry, but the feeling of being judged or judging is not a high vibration. Yet we must look at things to see where we're at, to change in a direction that we would like to go into. So we're offering a suggestion, a higher vibration, if you may, a better feeling thought. We would suggest, instead of judging without gathering facts, or instead of judging yourself and being hard on yourself, we suggest you take 2 steps back and you assess the situation. Assessment is different than judging, because when you are assessing something, you are looking at it without deep emotion in it. You are looking at it from a more neutral point of view, and you are looking at all of the different angles. You are not jumping to a conclusion. So when you are looking at yourself and you are not liking what you see, or when you are looking at what you have done and are not pleased with your actions, instead of judging them and berating yourself, assess them. Take a look at the situation and see how it could be better handled. See the different angles of it and understand that what you have done or where you are at is completed to that point. But know that you are never complete, and you can change your direction more easily when you have a higher vibration. The low vibration will keep you where you were at, or even bring you backwards. A higher vibration will help you to step into the direction that you are wanting. So when you are assessing yourself, you are looking and thinking and asking yourself, why did I do this? Why do I do that? Why do I look this way? Why? And when you do that, you can answer your questions in a neutral manner. Write them down if you want to do anything. Write down the questions and write down the answers. And then just assess the situation. Don't get upset with yourself. If you have judged someone without knowing them or without understanding the situation, and generally when you are judging someone or when someone is being judged, the situation is not fully understood because we are not in their shoes and we do not know what brought them to that point in their life. So when you can sit back, when you can look at the situation and assess it, why are they doing that? Why did you react that way? Why? You can feel that it's a little less contentious when you are asking the whys. And you can feel that your emotion has simmered down and you're quite neutral. And that's the goal when you're asking why, to be neutral with the situation, to not create more of what you are not wanting. If you have judged something, you most likely don't agree with it. So ask yourself why. Maybe you're judging someone out of jealousy. Ask yourself why. Why would you be jealous of another? Why would you be envious of what they have when they have created that themselves and you can create whatever you would like? So you don't have to be ever jealous or envious of someone. You just look at the situation and assess it. How in the world did they do that? And maybe they have the answer you are looking for and how you can attain what you are looking for in life. When you are judging them, you cannot see the answer. You just see the flames of anger or the flames of jealousy or whatever the feeling may be that you have. So assess a situation. Do not judge it. Judgment, when you can assess, when you can look back, when you can look forward, and you can pull the situation together, when you can take a breath and think things through, you will be on your way to creating a much more smooth path to what you are wanting. You're not fighting it anymore. You're not putting up the barriers of judgment. And when you are not doing this, it will be so much easier for you to see a better road for you, because that's what this is about. How you create your reality, how you create your life. And it is hard to create a life that is happy when you are in judgment of or criticizing yourself or another. It goes against the grain. It does not offer a high vibration. Instead, it keeps you in a lower one. Assessing a situation helps you to release what you do not want, and it helps you to allow in your life what you are wanting. It allows you reach for and attain the higher vibration, because when you're assessing things, you have taken a step in the direction of peace. When you assess things, you are not judging it and you are not offering ridicule. When you are assessing, you are taking a look and you are choosing a best option. This is a calm way of doing things, and it's a peace-filled way of doing things. When you are assessing and then taking a step towards joy. And we've said it many times. We will say it one more time. Actually, we'll say it more than that, honestly. Joy is your foundation. So assess the situation. Find that little bit of joy in the whys that you are asking or the whats that you are asking, and take a step in that direction and leave judgment behind. No one is perfect, and no one will ever be perfect. For you to judge yourself or for you to judge another holds you in a spot you don't want to be in. To assess your situation or assess why you came to the conclusion with another, that will lead you in the direction that you are wanting to go. That will lead you into the direction of joy when you are looking for it and feeling for it and looking for that path. And maybe you'll just have to walk away from a situation because you do not see a way of finding joy in that path. And actually, that's a good thing, because if it was a joyless path, you must leave it and you must go in the direction of joy. And by leaving one path, you are no longer focusing on that path. And now you can start to look and see and feel and find the path of joy. And the path of joy brings peace into your life. We wish for you love in your life, peace in your mind, joy in your soul.